Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. So a couple of days ago, I went to Hill Road with the sole purpose of buying a new pair of sunglasses. Like that was my only mission of going to Hill Road. I just wanted to buy a pair of sunglasses. But I ended up picking up a few more things. So today I thought I'd film a Hill Road haul for you guys because I think I've got like some nice things. Now if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media to be updated with my video upload schedule. And now let's get started. So of course, the first thing that I bought were the sunglasses. I really was looking for like a blue reflector pair because I think it's perfect for the summer and it just looks really cool. So I bought these. I think it looks really cool. Like, I don't know. It has like this cat eye kind of shape, so I liked it, and I don't know, I just think they look really trendy and perfect for like a beach day or something like that. So I really like these ones. And because I'm a total shopaholic, I couldn't stop at just one pair and I bought another one. These also have like this sort of wow. These also have like the reflector shades kind of, but they're a bit darker and I still think that they're really trendy and good for the summer. The next thing that I bought was this crop top. It is just the cutest thing. Like the pineapples on it are so adorable and I love it. I love the color. Like it's this shade which is like in between peach and pink, and I think it's so cool to just wear with like a pair of denim shorts or even a skirt, just about anything, and it'll look really good for the summer. And moving on, the next thing that I bought was another crop top. Like seriously you guys, I have an obsession for crop tops right now. Like I have so many crop tops in my closet, it is ridiculous, but really I think like they're the most fun thing to wear, especially when it's this hot, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with them. And this one has Mickey Mouse on it. I don't think I've mentioned it on this channel, but I'm a huge Disney fan. Like I'm obsessed with everything Disney. I've grown up watching Disney movies. I used to want to be a Disney princess when I was younger, and I'm still obsessed with Disney animated movies. I think they are magical and wonderful, and when I see anything that is Disney related, I just can't help myself. I have to buy it. It is a problem, but I do. And this one is just so cute and soft, and it's kind of like loose and baggy for me, which I like because I think it sort of adds to the style of the t-shirt and I love it. And up next are these pom-pom slippers. I have been looking for pom-pom slippers for the longest time, and I actually wanted the ones that you could sort of like tie up, but those aren't available anywhere. Like I've looked in Irla, on Linking Road, I just can't seem to find them. But I really like these because the pom-poms like tend to dangle in them, and I think that looks super cute. And because they're so colorful, I think they can add a bit of fun and like vibrancy to any outfit. I've actually worn these in my last video, which was the Alia Bhatt lookbook. If you haven't watched it, then I'll link it up here and you should definitely go check it out. But other than that, I think like pairing this up with maybe a black dress or even like a completely western outfit but which has like basic colors like black and white, I think they just add a lot more to those kinds of outfits and make them look very fun and stylish. Now the next few items that I bought them like separately, like from completely different stores and at different times in my shopping day. But when I came back home and I tried on all the clothes, I found that I could put these pieces together and they made a really cool outfit. So that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. The first thing in this outfit is this beautiful romper. Like it is so cool. I don't know about you guys, but for the past few weeks I've been watching so many Coachella lookbooks and like Coachella vlogs, and I've been a bit obsessed with like Coachella outfits and like festival style. So when I saw this romper, it like screamed Coachella to me and I had to have it. The next thing in this outfit is this beautiful flowy kimono. It is just like the lightest and the softest cotton material ever. I really like this embroidery that's there down the middle of the kimono. I think it looks super cool. And what I really like about this kimono is that it has a string, so you can tie it around your waist, so it gives it like a really different look. And I really like this. The last bit of this outfit and also the last thing in my little haul are these earrings. Now I don't have a lot of silver jewelry in my closet. Like, I don't know, I just don't wear silver jewelry much. Actually, I don't wear earrings much. I don't know why, but I just thought these were gorgeous. Like I said, I've been obsessed with Coachella looks, and most of the accessories in like Coachella lookbooks were silver, so I think that's why I was attracted to these. Along with these three things, if you just maybe throw on a hat or like wear some open-toed sandals, I think together it makes a really pretty look, and I think it has a very Coachella vibe to it. It's very like festivalish, and because everything is made out of cotton and it's just really airy and flowy, I think it's perfect for hot summers. So yeah, that was my Hill Road haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite item of clothing was from this haul. And of course, do subscribe to my channel for weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. Bye!